Hey all, welcome back to Basin Motorsports. So yesterday I went to town and had some lunch at my favorite little pizza buffet in town. They also sell lottery tickets. Have you ever had the internal debate, the fantasy? What would you do if you won the lottery? So I think the normal answer that everybody probably starts with is they would pay off their debts. Maybe pay off family debts, parents, siblings, even maybe make a nice donation to some personal friends. Beyond that, I think everybody's always got kind of a mental extreme list. If you came into some serious money, what would it be? Lamborghini? Hennessy Venom? Definitely some exotic cars out there that might just show up in the garage. So I decided to come up with a list of 3 things I would immediately take care of off of my list. First thing I would get is going to be a new truck. Something capable of towing probably around a 1-ton, most likely a diesel. Something that would tow WideFox anywhere I wanted to go, anywhere in the country. Mustang Week, anything on the West Coast, or any Optima event, assuming I can register. Item 2 is going to be a bucket of tools for the shop. It's going to include a 2-post lift, some fabrication tools like metal forming, definitely a new TIG welder, and maybe even a plasma cutter. Third thing, I would seriously invest in a new 2018 crate motor, a Coyote, a T56 Magnum transmission, and definitely some new wheels for WideFox this year. So what are going to be your 3 things? What would you buy if money really wasn't an object anymore and you had no debt? I'd like to know. Drop them down in the comments. See you next time.